1/7 of a whole life. Hearing it like that is what made me see how powerful this choice would be. This wasn't a new idea. I just hadn't taken it seriously. A lot of my experience has been ignoring the advice of my elders and learning for myself that they know what they're talking about. The first Sabbath, I was confused. What counted as rest? Growing up, my dad would work every day. Sometimes people don't want to slow down. They're running from things, they don't want to catch up with them. I Googled it and I decided some of my familiar distractions counted. Watching TV, getting high, surfing the internet. I just wasn't used to being still. I started being more intentional as the Sundays rolled around. Slow mornings, journaling, sitting and watching the clouds go by. It still felt uncomfortable, and I could feel things catching up to me. The tears started, hot and fast. They stung. They felt good after, though. I started to just realize what I was doing and laugh. The inherent stillness of being alive. The wonder at being in a machine powered by heartbeats and fresh air. Coming, going. The space didn't leave on Monday. And then life became my practice. Every moment, a breath. In, out, coming, going. And behind it all, a stillness. Now my distractions seem silly. What is there to be distracted from? Now being wasn't so bad. There was nowhere to go. My awareness would simply watch the scenes and smells and tastes, and they would come and go. Everything simply works itself out with barely any attention from me. The easiness that I always suspected was mine returned to me. It had missed me too. And now every moment was the Sabbath. Soft blankets, the fallen leaves, the fresh air, the bird song, the text message, the glass of water. All life. Coming and going and coming and going.